Fourth point, we are signing up lot of memorandum of understanding MOUs with variety of organizations. It is not just limited to educational institutes. There are institutes or organizations who are actually an industry by themselves, and we are doing these strategic alliances with these industries so that we can provide opportunities for incubation and research and development projects. So somebody who is now post graduating as an MBA student or as an engineer or any other graduate, they want to pursue their interest and do some research and development project. Maybe they are struck with some idea and they want to really pursue and test their idea further through R&D projects. We are signing, like I said, through our MOUs with colleges, universities, and also some of the companies. We can provide you a platform to really incubate your ideas, and also in the process you will get a lot of learning, because like I talked about exposure to heterogeneous age group. This is something which is given. You will get an infrastructure, you will get the right resource person, you will probably get highly experienced guide, and you will also get the facility, you will get lot of freedom, and in the process you will learn lot of things which are related to growth and success. So that is something that PMA can offer to you. We are also considering internship opportunities. So internship is something which is a constant requirement of any student. Nowadays it is becoming more and more mandatory for lot of courses. Earlier days it was limited only to the medicine field a long time ago, but later on this internship concept has really taken a shape in most of the curriculum, and it has become actually part, and like I said, it has become mandatory. PMA, like I said, is very unique platform. It has got members from all over all the corners of the world. So you can actually leverage PMA circle of influence to get your internship opportunity. In PMA, we have 14 different verticals. We call it Center of Excellencies, and all these Center of Excellencies have very senior members who are very well connected to all kinds of business houses, institutes, and industries. So using their circle of influence, you can certainly, we are very open to facilitate the internship opportunities. You can also participate in some of the PMA programs which will come in future as a student, or maybe as a young professional. You can participate in these kind of programs so that you can apply your skills, you can demonstrate your knowledge.